We are back for another property tour, and this time we were invited by the owner. What's going on? It's NYC Real Estate P, your New York City and Long Island real estate agent, and we're back for another property tour. And today we're in South Ozone Park. That's right, we're not in Long Island right now because we have been invited by the owner itself. This owner has purchased this house and completely renovated the home, brand new. Now this is a multi-family home. It's a 2-family unit. On the first floor unit, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. And on the second floor, we have a 4-bedroom and 1 full bathroom as well. But also there's a basement fully finished with a full bathroom down there. So this home behind me is going for $1.18 million. It's currently on the market. The owner has asked me to take a video of this home, give you guys a property tour. If you're interested in this home, please reach out to me. We can get you into this home as soon as possible. All right, let's get started with this wonderful tour. I hope you enjoy it. So hopefully you enjoyed this property tour. Again, this is a multi-family unit home that's for sale currently on the market as we speak. 1.18 million. If you are interested, please reach out to me as soon as possible because, you know, time is everything. They are currently selling it. We have been showing this house a few times and we want to get you in this home as soon as possible. So reach out to me if you're interested. If you enjoyed this property tour, or if you want to see more property tours, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as I'm always going to bring you property tours and other videos that's going to help you with your real estate journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment down below. If you just want to reach out to me, my contact information is down in the description. I'm NYC Real Estate P, and I'll catch you next time.